How's it, guys? Hope you're doing well. I probably left Cederberg Bay about 2 hours ago. I'm currently driving to a little place called Cederberg, one of my favorite places in the country. Going there with a company called Quest Africa to do a mountaineering course. So yeah, I'm quite excited. This video is just for some nice adventure footage, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Right, I'm back. I've just been driving for a little bit over 600 kilometers. Just outside of Cederberg here now. Gonna fill up some petrol and yeah, regroup with the convoy. I'll check in with you guys again now. Finally got to the campsite. It's very nice. Set up my car at the moment where I'm going to be sleeping in. I'll show you guys the setup now. And yeah, this is going to be my playground for the next week or so. Let's do it. Here at one of the Cederberg's most well-known landscapes, and that's where we'll be sleeping tonight. Up here, so hopefully you guys can hear me. We finally made it to Sneeuberg, which is the highest peak in the Cederberg, just about 2,000 meters above sea level. There it is right there. I must say it's definitely one of the best sunsets I've ever seen. So yeah, at the moment it feels quite nice to be out of the wind. But as you guys saw, that sunset was definitely worth it. So yeah, now it's time to go make some dinner and hopefully be warm enough tonight. Yes, holding thumbs up. start of day 3 for our trip. Today we're going to one of my favorite places called Crystal Pools here in Cederberg, but it's not the best looking weather at the moment. So yeah, just making myself some coffee and yeah, we're gonna crack on. I think it's gonna be fun.
Lekker!
What do you mean?
Don't say anything stupid, guys.
Don't say anything stupid.
What is wet? It has to be able to be dry as well.
Window panes lined with plastic water bottles. Only took a few sips out of them. Brand name, but you bought the floor model. Standing guard by the sliding glass door. I got some cash in my car. Got some room in the garage. I cut your picture out with my scrapbook scissors. Everything's filled with holes. Everything is see-through.
So we finally arrived at our little hut for the night. The weather's been pretty crap, as you've seen, but Crystal Pools was a bit underwhelming, and I think mainly just because of the weather. It wasn't that nice, but we'll maybe go back down a little bit later, weather depending. But yeah, for now we're just trying to stay warm. We're gonna make some tea and coffee, and yeah, just enjoy the scenery. And this is our little hut for tonight. So yeah, nice and cozy. How's it? Alright, so just doing a little impromptu one while on the go. Our sleep last night in the hut was pretty comfortable, wasn't too bad. Busy now on day 4 of the hike, and yeah, it's going good. We're going to a little mountain called Tafelberg where we'll be doing a multi-stage trad climb, and yeah, pretty excited for it. All the guys are also pretty excited. Some of them are going to be challenging themselves, so it'll be pretty cool to see how it turns out. And the landscape has changed quite dramatically. Not so many trees at the moment, but still lots and lots of rocks.
I heard the birds from the neighbor's yard calling out from the sliding glass door. I saw the bed sheets breathe. I felt the floorboards scream. I pulled the story out from a work of fiction. Fiction.
Hey, so today we're quite excited. We're doing a 100-meter trad climb up Tafelberg here in Cederberg. It's quite exciting stuff. Got my rock climbing shoes on. So yeah, just waiting for a couple of groups to go, and then we're gonna have a chance to go as well. So I think it's gonna be sick. So we're halfway up the mountain at the moment, 50 meters off the first pitch, and we still got another 50 to go to the top. It's a freaking nice climb, and the view is great. But it's a far way down. Are you stoked? Are you stoked?
Yeah, I'm stoked. Yeah.
Well done. Alright guys, so almost finally at the end of the hike. It was a great experience. Said goodbye to the group probably about a little bit over an hour ago, and yeah, it was nice guiding again, and definitely something I'm going to try and get into. So my car is just around about there, where I'm going to drive it back to camp, have a quick shower, and then head on back home to Plett. 7.5 hour drive. It's been fun. Cederberg is beautiful as always. Had lots of fun guiding again, and yeah, definitely look forward to doing it more in future. Yeah, lots of great highlights. Sleeping on top of Sneeuberg, that was cool. Crystal Pools is very different than I remember. I think there was a fire about 2 years ago, so it looks like it took a bit of a beating, so it looks a bit different. Hence that I didn't really spend a lot of time there, and it was freaking cold, so it wasn't really the oasis that I'm used to. But yeah, I enjoyed sharing this with you guys and hope you enjoyed it. Check you for the next one.